So I'm trying to record it. Okay. So for this one, I put the way to answer it in we call it Jamboard. Okay. So you go here. And the Jamboard is here. Have you have access for this? I think I put this in the JCC web portal, but I didn't put like yeah, I think you have to go to the coursework. Yeah, I didn't do all of the problem yet. Okay, so I will continue working on it. Okay. So this is the Jamboard I put it here. Okay.
Wait, let me see. I don't think I saw that on my portal. Let me look.
Oh, sorry. Can you see the portal?
Yeah.
So, yeah, you need to go to the coursework, right?
Uh-huh.
When you click the coursework, will give you here. It will be this one. So this is like this is for uh,
Oh, I found it.
for the MyMathLab, right? And then down
Uh-huh.
here is the Jamboard for section 1.2. Okay. But I just work on number 1, A, B, C, D. Okay. And then what else here? Number. Okay, so I did number 2, right? Let me see what I'm doing here on number 2. Okay, here. For number 2, did you do number 2 or not?
No, sir. This is the one that I was trying to do, and I kept getting all the answers wrong.
Okay.
I think I only got the last one right.
Okay. So you did number 1, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now working on number 2, right? Okay. Okay. Let me see. Do you have the same problem like this or not?
I can't see the. I don't think I can see the screen that
Oh,
you're
the
sharing.
problem. Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you see?
Yeah.
It? Okay.
Yes.
So it is like this, right? Okay. Maybe better is I open the old one, okay, because I already did over there, so we can see exactly what I did over there. Okay. Hold on, let me go to the old one. Like from the previous class. Okay, I think this one here. So you're working on number 2. Yeah, review and invert this game. Oops. I did know this one. One more. Okay, forget it. I think I will try to get again. Okay? So 1.2. So for this question, you can see Okay, so can you see the problem?
Yes.
Oops. Okay, so it's this is a problem, right? This is a bit similar. Okay, this is a bit similar with yours. Okay, so first to solving about this one, if you see the question help, yeah, the question help just give you the textbook, right?
Yes.
And also ask my instructor. Okay, so okay, okay, so let me do this one. Okay, so so yeah, so it is like this. It's similar like this. Okay, so it should be. What is this over there? Can you tell me?
The what, sir? Sorry.
Oh, sorry. I'm trying to sharing with we call it Jamboard. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Can you see it now?
Yes, it's the white screen with the
Yeah.
writing. Yeah.
So this is the problem. The problem should be similar. Okay. So what is yours?
The problem that I had with these questions, it was just, I don't know. I kept
You have this
I
one?
couldn't mm,
Yeah. So
for number
it's like this. So you want to
yes,
solve
it has the inequalities and stuff. Yeah.
equality, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So so if you have like this, so you can change to this. So that means it's this is the same as like between -6 and 6. Okay. And then you need to get rid of the negative one from here. But if you want to get rid of from here, you need to add with one, right? And if you add this one with one, so in order to make it the inequality equivalent, so also need to add this one on the left side, and also you need to add one on the right side. Okay. Can you see it?
I see what you're doing. So instead of breaking it down into two equations, you just put the -6 and the
Yes.
okay. Okay, I get
Yes.
it.
So this is for this kind of problem. Okay. If this is less than and equal, or less than, okay, so you can put it like this. Okay, but for the greater than, you can see on the right side here, for the greater than, so for the greater than, you can split like you said, you can split like into two inequality equation, right? So one is less than -6, and the other one is greater than 6. Can you see it on the right side there?
I can see.
Yeah. So let me erase this to make it clear. So this one should be okay. So I think this one should be yeah. Okay. So one it should be less than -6. Okay, and the other one is greater than 6. Okay, and in order to get rid of the negative one, you have to add both sides with 1, right? So it is like good like this. Sorry. So it will like go up here, okay, and then go up here, okay. So this is one of the solution. So that means because this is less than 5, I mean less than 6, and then we can get the what is it? The right boundary is equal to -5/3. Okay? So there are yeah 5/3. Right? So this one to be 5. This one to answer for that. Yeah, since this is 5/4, right? Okay. Yeah, so this one is just 5/4. Okay. So this is 4, not 7. Okay. Easier. Okay. So from here you add both side with 1. So the left side become this one should be less than. So the left side become 4x, and on the right side, because you have -6 plus 1, so it becomes -5, right? And then to get x here, you can divide both sides with 4, right? So on the left side, you got divided by 4x divided by 4 to got x, right? And on the right side, you divide -5 with 4. So you got less than -5/4. So that means from this to the left will be one of the equation, one of the solution of the inequality of uh, the inequality equation. Right? So the answer for this one is open uh, open open interval, right? From -infinity to -5/4, and the union with 7/4. The 7/4 is from here, from the from this one here, from for x minus 1 greater than 6. Okay, so if you add both side with 1, okay, so the left side you got for x, the right side you got 7, right? And then to solve for x, so divide both sides with 4, right? So you got x on the left side greater than 7/4, right? And you can see here x is greater than 7/4. So that means because this one is greater than equal, so you have to use the square bracket. And on the right side, from 7/4 go to infinity. And this one is always, if go to infinity, this one always open interval or open parenthesis. Yeah, using parenthesis instead of using the square bracket.
So how did you know, or how do you know when you're supposed to flip the inequality? Is that just how it is because it's an absolute?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So if you have absolute this, actually by definition it's like this. If you have a absolute A greater than, for example, like B, right? So this is same as A less than and equal -B, and or A greater than B. Okay. So you can see here, in this case, the A is 4x minus 1, right?
Yes.
So go down here. Right. So this one is, sorry. Okay, yeah. So yeah, go down here. Sorry, less than -B, that less than -B, that means it's less than -6. Okay, and this is the A, right? Right.
Yes.
And to solve this, to actually need to add both sides with 1. Right? So this one is gone. And on the right side, you got negative 5. And on the left side, you got 4x. Right? And then if you divide both sides with 4, so you got x on the left side. And then you got negative 5 over 4 on the right side. So because x is 4 less than 5 over 4, so in your answer, you need to put which is equal sign, right? Less than and equal, so you need to put square bracket. Okay. And
so whenever it's just the greater than or less than, it's just open to as well
yes,
as the infinity. Okay.
yes. So this one is always open for the infinity. But for this one is depend on if greater than or unequal using square bracket, but it's only greater than or less than, you only use the parentheses.
Okay.
Yeah. And for the picture here, the same thing. You need to use a square bracket. Let me say, let's do it this way. Okay. So it's like go both ways. Okay. So if you want to represent n as what do you call it? In the picture, right? So in the picture it will be like this. So it's negative 5 over 4, go to infinity. But this one is a square bracket. So that means it says include the negative 5 over 4. Yeah. And on the right side, it include 7 over 4. Okay. Mm. Yeah. So difference is just for less than, you need to put negative and positive on the left, negative on the left side, and then positive on the right side. Okay. But for this one, so like this, I will say. So if you have A less than equal B, right? So this equal to negative B less than A greater than B. Something like that. Yeah. So you can try yours. Okay. So let's see. Oh, okay. Sorry. Maybe I need to show you in how to put in the MyMathLab. In the MyMathLab. So okay, you can do it. You can do it together. Okay. So for this case, that means you have a negative on the left side, negative 2 on the left side, right? And then you have 3x minus 6, and then less than 2, right? So in order to remove this one, so you need to add all of this with 6, right? So on the left side, you have negative 2 plus 6, so you got 4. And on the right side, you got 2 plus 6, you got 8, right? Okay, so that means this is to be the answer, right? Simplify your answer and type your answer in interval notation. Use integer or fraction for any number in the expression, right? So because it's unequal, so you need to use a square bracket, right? Remember on the left side is negative 2 plus 6. So equal to 4, right? And then divide by 3, so you got 4 over 3, right? And on the right side, you got 2 plus 6, 8, and then 8 divided by 3. 3 is from this one, right? So you got 8 over 3. Can you hear? Okay, let me check that.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, try yours. So this one is go to the left, -2, right?
Huh.
And then add,
So -2 you would put first since it's on the left side?
yes, on the left side.
Okay,
So
let me,
so you have
write this
like a okay, maybe let me see, maybe I can write it over there. Let me see if I can write it over there, okay? So you can see it. Okay, so apparently I can write it over there. So you have -2, okay? And 3x minus 6 less than 2, right? And then add all of them with 6, right? So in here you got what? 32 plus 6, you got 4, right? And then you have 3x in the middle, right? Because this one is gone, right?
Mhm.
And then you have 2 plus 6 is got 8. And then the last step is divide all of them with 3, right?
Okay.
So this is divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3. They give you 4/3 x and then 8/3, right? So the
Okay.
answer will be, you can see this on the left side because negative, I mean, because less than and equal, so you need to put square bracket.
Brackets.
Okay, so like this. And on the right side, the border of the right side will be 8/3. Right? Oh, yeah. So the upper bound will be this, but because of equal and I mean because it's less than and equal, so you need to put square bracket. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So next one. Okay. So the next one is you need to change this to. This is the same as 6 minus 5x less than -2, or 6 minus 5x uh, greater than 2, right? Okay. And if you, this is equivalent with if you want to what? Yeah, so you need to remove the number from the x, right? So you need to subtract both sides with 6, right? Okay. So this one, you got 5x, -5x less than -8, right? Or this guy here will be -5x greater than -4, right? Okay. So both sides you need to divide by -5. Okay. But remember, if you divide by negative, so you have to flip the sign. Okay. So you need to flip the sign for this one. So this become, oh, sorry, not 5x. So this become x, right? Okay, so oops, sorry. I forgot to, it's dependent on using, oh, I think it's okay. Yeah, I need to use this one. So, so is divided by 5, negative 5. This is divided by negative 5. Okay, I think to check. Negative 5. So this becomes x, but you have to flip the sign. Okay. Now this one becomes 8 over 5. And the same thing the first one. So or divided by negative 5 divided by negative 5 give you x less than 4 over 5. So from here, the or is using the
So you know how you did it or
yeah.
in the middle between both of them?
Yeah. So now the
So,
or is replaced with the union sign. Okay, now you need to answer this one here. So the interval will be, so the interval will be, they start with the less than first, right? So the or will be, yeah, so the less than first. So that means for this one is, and remember this is not, there is no equal sign here. So that means both of them using the open parenthesis, and you replace the or with the union. Okay. So the one that is greater than will be go here. So you have like x greater than 8 over 5, right? So so need to go here, right? Up to infinity, right? And then for less than 4 over 5, so the upper bound will be 4 over 5, and put parentheses because this is less than, and thus up to negative infinity. So you answer put it here. So the answer will be negative infinity, comma, 4 over 5. And then close parentheses, right? And then looking for the union sign here, right? And then open up parentheses again. And then put what? 8 over 5, right? Oh, sorry. Up to infinity. Close parentheses. Okay. So we still have an it. This is it for this one. No. Oh, we still have another one. C. Right. Okay. This would be the same thing as the B, right? But not using the greater than equal, using equal sign. So that means the boundary will be the upper boundary for this one will be square bracket. The lower boundary for this one will be the square bracket. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Let me use the smaller drawing pen here. So what you do is now you can split what? You can split like oops, sorry. Oh, okay. Okay, this one. So what is it? So are you still with me?
Yes, I'm watching.
Okay. So what do you think of this one?
Okay, so the question I had was, you used or. Do you only use or when it's not
S is greater than.
so you okay.
Yeah. But
So
also
whenever you're doing the type of equation on top, whenever you put the -2 on one side and the +2 on the other side, you can't do that with greater than?
no, that's only for the less than.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Oh, so for the number A. Oh, sorry. Yeah, for less than you can use negative on the left side and then positive on the right side. But for greater than you have to use or.
Okay.
So like uh, first is the one that is less than -2 or greater than 2. Right. Okay, I think I forgot this one. This one should be 2. Oh, yeah, it's it. Maybe okay. Maybe accidentally I did miss it. Okay. So yeah, so this one should be. Yeah, I think I erased it. Right? So this one should be 2 here, right? And then subtract with 6. Oh, okay. No. Yeah, this is right. I think I accidentally I erased it, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, I need to subtract with 6 here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you can try now for this one. For C.
Mm. Do you want me to write on the screen or?
But just tell me.
Oh, okay. So it would be 2x plus 7
Yes.
is greater than or equal to 4.
Okay.
And
Or
then or 2x plus 7 is less than or greater, less than or equal to -4.
yes. Okay. That's good. Yeah. So you can start from here to find the solution, right?
Then you subtract by 7 on both
Okay.
of them.
Yeah. Okay. But this is start with 7. This is start with 7, right?
Yes. And
This one should be also. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
so it would be 2x greater than or equal to -3.
Okay. Good.
And then the next one would be 2x is less than or equal to -11. Yeah.
Okay. So from here,
You divide by 2.
okay, that was 2. So your answer here will be
Okay, so then x would equal
oh, parenthesis was right.
yes.
To be negative infinity. Right?
Negative infinity.
Comma.
And is it the negative 4/2? Wait. Oh, the negative 3/2?
No. 11.
Okay.
Should be this one. The one that
Is it because that one's it was the negative one?
no, because of less than.
Oh,
Right?
okay.
So because x less than or so that means the x will be on the left side of 11/2, right?
Okay, yes.
You make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then that one would be brackets, right?
Yeah, should be parentheses, yeah, and then union sign, right? And because of sorry, yeah, you're right. Should be square bracket, yeah, because it's equal sign, right? Because greater than equal, so this one should be square bracket, yes, you're right. And this one also square bracket, right? Okay. And
It's the -3/2.
infinity up to infinity.
Infinity. Yes. And then that would be parentheses.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, we still have these. Okay. Yeah. So this is I think this one is become easy, right? Okay. So because this now less than. So can you calculate in your head?
What was that, sir?
Can you calculate in your head?
Oh no, I'm kind of really bad at that.
Okay. Okay. You can. Okay. Let's do it. Okay.
Okay.
So that means we have -4, right?
Uh-huh.
And then the less than sign.
Oh, it's the uh-huh.
Less than sign, and then 7 plus 2x,
2x.
and then less than 4, right?
Uh-huh.
Now you need to subtract by 7, right?
Yes.
See, on the left side, there's what? -4. -4 minus 7 will be
That's -11.
-11, and then divide by 2, right?
Yes.
So will be parentheses -11/2, right? And now the right side will be 4 plus, oh, sorry, 4 minus 7 will be
Oh, -3.
-3, and then divide by 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, so that's question number 2. Okay.